quick welcome to my preview video of some of the next projects coming up on Come and Andy Now. So this project car that I got was about £400 that I got a few months ago. Rather interesting project because it was a half-started turbo conversion on a petrol 1.8. Quite a few problems with it. The advert said it only needs the exhaust finishing off, whereas in reality not only the exhaust was in bits, but turbo wasn't fitted properly and the ECU for it wasn't connected at all. Quite a few other faults as well. So I made a little bit of a start on it, as you can see on the floor here. Started on a bit of exhaust work. So this whole exhaust system was actually from a Ford Focus ST. I discovered by the part numbers on it. The box, the rear box I'm going to put in place of the Freelander rear box. Because of the tow bar I've got fitted, I've had to do some re-welding, cut open the box, shift these tailpipes over. Hopefully do a video on that at some point. Here's some other bits that came with it. Bits of exhaust, the old bits of exhaust, stack load of tyres, various exhaust fittings and so on. So here's some of the engine bits. Quite interesting ECU. This hardly ever see on cars. It's mainly for ski-doos and jet skis and things from what I can read on the internet. It's an XIC Model 1000 additional ECU controller for turbos for controlling extra injectors. Of course this engine doesn't actually have the extra injectors, so I have to decide what I'm going to do with that. The turbo was knackered. When I started it up, loads of clouds of smoke were coming off, coming out of the exhaust. So disconnected the turbo, and there's no smoke actually coming out of the engine, and it was all due to the fact that there's a lot of play in the shaft of this turbo. Let's see if I can get around there. So yeah, we can see in here the shaft. See how much that's moving when I push with my finger. Absolutely knackered bearings in it. So here's a new core that I got from eBay. I think it was only about £40 or something. So it's another little project to do. Overall the car is in quite nice condition. So just needs a bit of restoring. I think maybe one of the windows or door locks has gone as well, which of course I've done before if you've seen any of the other videos on my channel. So that's what's coming up while it's in shot. There's an old Dyson vacuum cleaner there, a DC04, quite an old one of the originals. The bearings on the motor seem to be packing up, so that'll be an interesting little video to do on fixing your Dyson, which do seem to be quite popular. So let us know which fixes you'd like to see first and which might be of interest to you. Thanks for being a patron and thanks for watching. Bye.